Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about two stocks that I'm going to be getting with real money for tomorrow, June 11th, 2021. So today it's June 10th, that's when I'm recording this. So tomorrow I'll be getting two stocks with real money for my real portfolio. All right, let's get into them. First one is going to be Teladoc. Ticker symbol is TDOC. As of market close on June 10th, it was trading at about $154-ish. And you can see it's up quite a bit over this 5-year period. If you compare Teladoc to the S&P 500 or the Spider, Teladoc is up about a little over 1,000%, 1,099.77%, while the Spider is only up 105.12%. So this is one of the reasons why I'm getting Teladoc. You can see where is it? Oh, actually, I didn't list it in one of the reasons why, but yeah, this is another reason, reason number 4. It's crushing the market over a 5-year period. And what do winners do? Winners win. So get Teladoc. These are the other 3 reasons why. Number 1, Kathy Woods also purchased Teladoc a while back. And also David Gardner. He's a guy I learned a lot of investing advice from. He also mentions it in his free podcast. So these two people, they like it. So I mean, I think it's pretty good. Also, the product. I think the product could make a world a better place. This is something that I also uh, learned from David Gardner. Invest in something in a company whose products you think will make the world a better place than what it is now. So, for those of you who don't know Teladoc, it's kind of like Zoom, but for uh, talking with your doctor over the internet. So just think of it as like instead of going to the doctor to have a checkup or just to talk with your doctor, you can just do it via teledoc and just do it over the computer. So yeah. Anyway, that was number 1. Number 2, the last one is Etsy. Ticker symbol ETSY. Etsy is trading at $167.15. That's as of market close on June 10th. And Etsy, it's also crushing the market. Etsy is up 1,619%, about roughly, yeah. And then also Spider, S&P 500, it's up 105.12%. That's over a 5-year period, crushing the market. Winners win. Etsy should win, and I think that's yeah, that's number 2 here on reasons why. Also, number 1 reason why it reminds me of Amazon, but for handcrafted goods. So it's like Amazon pretty much. And Amazon is just like doing insanely well. So I think it'll do well as well. And also number 3, solid financial statements. Let's take a look at what Morningstar has to say. This is the income statement here. You can see revenue. Revenue is doing really well from 2018, 2019, 2020. It is going up. 2018 it was like zero point 0.6. 0.6 billion, 2019, 0.8 billion, 2020, 1.73 billion. TTM trailing 12 months over 2 billion, keeps going up. That's good. And also for EPS, diluted EPS, it was at 0.61, 0.61 EPS for 2018, 2019 went up higher to 0.76, 2020 went up even higher to 2.69, trailing 6 months. Not 6 months, trailing 12 months, 3.59, keeps going up, so that's really good. Also, debt. Look at the balance sheet. Debt for 2018, 2019, 2020. It has been going up. So 0.34 to 0.85 to 1.12 to 1.35. Now that would normally be considered a bad sign, but look at the debt compared to the total amount of cash. So you can see that for 2018, cash was higher than debt, so they can pay their bills. Same with 2019. Not higher, it's a little bit lower, but I mean, I'm comfortable with that amount. And plus, it was 2019 compared 2019 to 2020. They had less cash than debt in 2019. Now in 2020, in the midst of the pandemic, even they have more cash than debt. So they have 1.67 billion in cash compared to 1.12 billion in debt. And also for last quarter 2021, their cash is still higher than their debt, which is really good. Oh, and also for the cash flow is positive for all 3 years, 2018, 2019, 2020, and the trailing 12 months. And also another plus is the cash flow is increasing from 0.14 to 0.19 to 0.67 to 0.79. So this is an example of a really, really solid income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow. This is like A plus in my opinion. Like just really good numbers all across the board. So yeah, that is number two, Etsy, and yeah, that's pretty much it. For final notes, if you haven't been following me, my goal is to try and outperform the S&P 500 or the spider, whichever you want to call it. If you want to check out my other stock picks, you can get a Google links to that in the description. The Google sheet is there. You'll see all of my previous stock picks and see how it's doing compared to the market averages. And also, sometimes I do post in the discussion section of the YouTube channel. If you want to see what I post, just click on discussion. And then also, really important, click on sort by and then newest first. And why do you want to click on newest first? Why, I don't know, but for some reason why YouTube just doesn't always put the latest comment at the top. So just click newest first, that way you get to see what my latest post is, or was, whatever. Yeah. Anyway, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.